Hello everyone, this is Sheetla from Docship, and in this video I will explain how to complete your profile on Docship. And completing your profile on Docship is important because nowadays so many companies are hiring through Docship. And when you apply in any hiring challenge or in any AI hackathon, it is required that you complete your profile. It will give you a competitive advantage over all other participants who haven't completed their profile. So let's get back to my screen and I will show you step by step how you can complete your profile on Docship. Go to docship.io and then log in into your account using your email ID and password. Once you're logged in into your account, you can see all the challenges and the hackathons that you participated in. And now to edit your profile, go to your profile section. And here you can see your public profile, number of views that your profile got, number of levels that you crossed, and amount of XP that you collected. You can see that my profile strength is 0% because I haven't updated anything yet. So this is your public profile, and everyone who is watching your public profile wants to connect with you, wants to know more about yourself. So let's get back to our profile section and update our profile. So make sure to update your latest profile and your cover image. And once you update your profile photo and cover image, you collect some XP point. This is also necessary and required to increase your level on Docship. Make sure that your name and your location is correct. Now you can enter a short bio about yourself, like what you do and where you live or what is your education. Like I'm writing that I'm the guy who codes for living or lives for coding. This shows that I'm a passionate coder and I'm open to opportunities, something like that. And here you can see that my profile strength increased to 30%. So now you can add your work experience, just like I'm working with Docship. So here we have listed all the major companies. If you don't find any of your organization, let us know. And my title is machine learning intern. I'm working with Docship as a machine learning intern, and my duration is I'm working from July 2019 if I'm not wrong, and I'm currently working here. Just click on the add button and now you can see that your work experience is added. So now you can also add your education. I'm a student at Triple IT UNA, Indian Institute of Information Technology UNA, but I guess that is not updated yet. We are updating all the colleges and all the companies. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor degree in computer science engineering. I'm in 2017 batch. I started my BTech in July 2017, and now click on add button. If you want to add more education, then you can use this add education and you can add more. And now you have to add some certification, like I have a certification in deep learning with TensorFlow from Coursera, so I can add it here. Now you can choose the date of issues, like January 2020, your license ID like 123456789, or link of your certification. Anyone who will visit your profile, they can see all of your achievements, all of your education, all of your work experience. And this is required because this adds more weightage to your profile. So make sure that every detail that you fill is correct. And now my profile strength increased to 90%. Now let's update your skills. So I know TensorFlow JS, I have some knowledge about PyTorch, I also know Python. And once you updated this, now you can see that your profile strength increased to 100%. Now you can update your social links like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or your YouTube, or any website that you run, and hit on save profile. Now your profile is saved and you earned 100 XP. Now head back to your public profile and hit refresh, and here you can see all the details that you updated, your work experience, your education, and your certificates, everything. So it's updated here, and anyone who will visit your profile, they can see your skills, the badges that you earned, certificates that you have, your education, and about yourself, how you think, what you want to work on, are you open to opportunities or not. So all these things will help you to grab more opportunities in future. So as you can see, I have completed my profile and it is showing that my profile strength is now 100%. So now if I will apply in any hiring challenge or in any AI hackathon, my profile will go directly to hiring committee or the organizer of the hackathon. It will give them a good idea about your potential, about your skill set, about your background. So it will give you also a competitive advantage over all other applicants. So thank you for watching this video. Visit docsip.io now to participate in AI challenges or to download free AI models. Thank you.